Phase 3. Visitors from other regions of Italy and other European Union countries can now come in without being quarantined, but health checks at airports, trains, and ports are implemented. An app will allow visitors to register and indicate their health. Pools, beaches, and gyms are also open. All have implemented safety protocols and checks like distancing beds, equipment, frequent cleaning, and appointments so facilities don't get crowded. Discos and outdoor events, open-air theaters open on June 8th. Museums, parks, and archaeological sites have already been open, and the first weekend saw an influx of Sicilians reconnecting with their heritage. Now Italians, along with others, are encouraged to rediscover Sicily's rich history through several incentives. Francesco and Andrea Scrofani are two innovative businessmen with a mission to showcase the best of Sicily. With a hopping popular restaurant and modern hotel in Aci Trezza, shops at the Catania airport, outlet, and in Milan, their business was bustling pre-COVID-19. Now the rebuilding, remarketing, and reorganization is well underway. They are ready for visitors.
All mask, the sanification, the soap sanification for all the employer and for the clients, and yes, the distance is important to take 1 meters. Always, we all the people or the employers say always to the clients, you must be 1 meters behind, and but I think also the people are in this direction. Comes day by day. Our life is so now, and I think that in 1 month is normal to life so.
We start fixing everything, we adjust the roof, we clean the restaurant, we change a little bit the menu because we need a little bit more smaller food because the food cost right now it's so high. Everybody come in with the mask, clean the hand every time, and stay every single table. They have to stay 2 meter distance, and chair to chair 1 meter. And even if the people they sit down, they have to stay almost 1 meter.
So you're doing 2 meters instead of 1.
Exactly. For sure, reservation, because we need just the right people for the right table. We have a one in and exit out. No in out in one door, but we need a 1 door for in and 1 door for out. Even the kitchen, we have the space correctly between chef, sous chef, and prep. They have this distance each one, and inside everybody with the mask.
Shops and restaurants across Sicily are reporting tremendous losses in the first 2 quarters of this year, but many are hoping pent-up demand will be a boost for the second half. And once the EU borders open up, they expect an uptick in business. Already, many are seeing Sicilians and Italians taking advantage of some of their package deals.
The last weekend we have 10 room with people that came from Sicily. They pay only 1 night and they can stay 2 nights. This was a good deal for the people, and so I think also there in 2-3 weeks we can smiling a little bit more.
The Scrofani brothers are hopeful and are banking on Sicily's natural charm, beauty, heritage, and culture will speak for themselves.
Come in Sicily, come to a very beautiful country with the sun, and people are happy here, and we can make for you all we can for the hospitality.